Hey, moneymakers. Take a look at this channel, Mr. Nightmare. They've got over 6 million subscribers and have uploaded 300 plus videos so far. Their most popular uploads? They're pulling in over 20 million views on a single long-form video. This channel is literally a money printing machine. And it's not just them. Let's check out a few more channels in the horror and mystery niche. Now, you might be thinking, maybe they just got lucky? But no, it's not luck. When you look closely, you'll see dozens of channels pulling insane views and building massive subscriber bases. Best part? They're fully monetized too, and you can even check their Social Blade earnings for proof. This just shows how powerful the horror and mystery niche is on YouTube today. And here's the kicker, most of these creators are using AI to produce their videos. AI images, AI voiceovers, the whole thing is automated. Now, keep some energy ready because over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the entire blueprint to start your own AI-powered horror channel, from finding topics to editing your videos like a pro. So grab a snack and watch till the end. You don't want to miss this. Step 1. Finding topics for your horror channel. First things first, we need great stories. Open YouTube and search for horror stories. You'll find endless videos, perfect for sparking new ideas. Next, open your browser and search for real horror stories. There are tons of websites packed with true paranormal events and mysterious happenings, real stories, not made-up ones. Another goldmine? Check out Reddit and creepypasta websites. Tons of chilling stories rated and loved by readers. Plus, you can use AI like ChatGPT. Here's a powerful prompt you can use. I'm creating a faceless YouTube channel featuring real horror stories, paranormal experiences, and unsolved mysteries. Suggest 10 true story ideas involving mysterious places, unexplained events, or unsolved crimes. And boom, endless story ideas. Step 2. Writing scripts. Now listen carefully. Never copy a story word for word from a website or book. Instead, rewrite it in your own style or use ChatGPT to help rewrite it. Here's a super effective prompt. I want to create a faceless horror video based on reality. Here's an article. Rewrite it into a complete, engaging, and scary script, narrated from the third-person perspective. Also, provide a detailed AI image generation prompt for each scene. Paste your source, and ChatGPT will give you a full video script plus detailed image prompts. This way, you stay copyright safe and have content that's fresh and original. Step 3. Creating voiceovers. For voiceovers, I use LoveVoice AI tool. It's completely free and sounds incredibly human-like. First of all, you have to sign in. Then select a voice which you like. Deep voices is perfect for these type of video. Then copy the script from ChatGPT and paste here. You can adjust the setting if needed. Hit generate and your voiceover is ready. Step 4. Generating AI videos. Now it's time to bring your visuals to life. For this, we can generate image to video or directly create AI video. I will prefer directly create the video by AI. We will use these two AI today. First one is Kling, which is good but slower. Next one is Pixverse, which gives you 60 free credit daily. I think this is a great option for beginners. Now, copy the visual prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Kling and Pixverse. Generate all your scenes this way. The final step, editing your final video. For video editing, I'm using CapCut PC because it's free and easy to use. Now import all the generated scenes and voiceovers. By the way, I have downloaded a music as a background music from Mixkit. You can get free copyright-free music from there. Also, you can visit Pixels and Pixabay. Okay, now take them into timeline and arrange clips according scene. Then we will adjust the speed of clip according to voiceover. One more thing, I'm using the free version of those AI tools, that's why I have got a watermark. Don't worry, you can solve this problem by just crop a little. Now cut the external part of music. Let's add some effect to make it more engaging. I'm using black noise effect. Then add transitions. I will use smooth transition for this. If you are using free version, then you can choose another transition because it's in pro feature. Anyway, let's see the result.
In the quiet town of Caledon, Ontario, a boy named Elliot found himself haunted by an old memory, a memory buried beneath static, VHS tapes, and the ghost of a channel long forgotten.
I think something is missing. Sorry, I forgot to add caption. Let's generate auto caption, then customize it. Use bold font to make it catchy. You can change the color, add animation in caption. I'll choose this one. Caption customization, it's totally in your choice. If you can make it more cool, then why not? Yeah, now it seems completely ready.
Of Caledon, Ontario, a boy named Elliot found himself haunted by an old memory, a memory buried beneath static, VHS tapes, and the ghost of a channel long forgotten. He remembered Channel 21, a station that barely existed, broadcasting strange shows at odd hours. One in particular, Mr. Bear's Cellar, etched itself into his mind like a scar. Mr. Bear always invited the children to his special room, a room where no laughter was heard, only the hollow sound of a door locking behind them. Years later, Elliot received a letter, plain, yellowed paper with trembling handwriting. It was from Mr. Bear. He wanted to reunite. Guided by twisted curiosity.
That's exactly how you can create a faceless, AI-powered horror channel that can pull in views, subscribers, and of course serious ad revenue. If you want the special ChatGPT prompts I personally use to write my scripts faster and better, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment below. I'll pick a few comments and share my best prompts with you as a free giveaway. Stay tuned and let's keep making money the smart way.